Morning guys, so our final remaining for the moment, Victory Lakewood Lodge, brand new 2022. It's a 42 by 14 foot 2-bed Victory Lakewood Lodge. Absolutely stunning bit of kit. Lovely morning here at Unity in Brean Sands. Monday the 3rd of March, the year's kicking on. Let's get inside and have a look. There we are. So let's go straight into the main living area. Such a well thought out van, this one. Absolutely beautiful. Lovely living space. Freestanding furniture. It's 2 beds, but it sleeps 6. So there is a pull-out bed just underneath there. There's our fireplace. Central heating, of course, double glazing. You'll get a big TV on there if you need to. The kitchen's definitely got the wow factor. Super modern. Everything you could need. Integrated appliances. There we are. There's our dishwasher. Our fridge. And our freezer. Like I said, absolutely brand new. We have our integrated microwave, oven. There we go. So they really have thought this one out for storage. Super comfortable. Everything included. So site fees for 2025 for new customers joining us. There's bedroom 1, full-size singles in there, nice and spacious. Wardrobe per bed. There we go. We'll take you through into the main bathroom. I love the black taps. Heated towel rail. Double aspect shower. Really modern. Clean lines everywhere. Place for your coats and your shoes. Great storage in the lobby area. There we go. And into the master. The master, I mean, these floor to ceiling windows are great. Really let the sun in. Bags of space in here. And then moving around. There we go. Mirrored wall. Vanity area. Now this mirrored wall is hiding 2 secrets. The first one is a walk-in wardrobe. Lots of space in there. And don't forget, when you join us, you get access to all the facilities, the pool, the country club. There's our ensuite in the master. Again, complete separation from the other bedroom. All facilities in the master ensuite. So the pool complex, the spa, the sauna, the steam room. Accessible every day by you guys. Entertainment every night in 2 venues. Loads of plans. Loads of developments taking place at the moment. It's not going to be here very long, guys. I'm Simon, 07973 620 351. Not a cloud in the sky, guys. This one's on our showground. Ready to go and find its home on site on a plot. Hardly any plots remaining. Give me a call, 07973 620 351. And this Victory Lakewood Lodge could be yours. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.